Alright guys, I'm pretty pissed off that the 240 didn't pass inspection. They said I need a lower ball joint and some wiper blades. And AutoZone didn't have the ball joints. They couldn't even get them, so I'm gonna have to Amazon those. I got some wiper blades, so I'm gonna put these on real quick. Yeah, you can see here, these wiper blades were pretty fucked. They're just some cheap rice. I go put the new ones on. Alright, new wiper blades are on. I'm gonna have to order those ball joints like I said, so probably won't be doing any content on this car for at least another week. What a series of unfortunate events. I'm so mad right now, guys. You don't even understand. All I wanted to do was go to fucking my grandma's and hang out with all the other JDM cousins. And instead, I'm sick and fucking tired of people denying my inspections, guys. You don't even understand. I'm so mad. You don't even understand how upset I am right now. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Actually, you know what guys? This is for sale, so I'm selling this. I don't want it anymore. I'm sick of fucking with it. I'd rather put the money towards something else. If you guys want a super clean 93 240SX SR20 swapped, SR20, we got the S14 SR20. We have a custom True Focus Fab catch can. We have a Twisted Motion 3071R. It's a GTX 3071R. We have the Turbo Smart oil pressure controller. We have the Volvo electric power steering, ATI damper, and we have the Tarx LS1 alternator kit, custom intake and exhaust. And yeah, if you guys want this, let me know. I'll be selling it for $30,000. A couple other things. We have the custom Mountain Dew overflow bottle there. We have the tile blow-off valve and the tile wastegate with the little turtleneck. Ceramic coated header, turbine housing, and downpipe. Yeah, you guys want this, let me know. 30 grand, you guys can have it. I'm sick of fucking with this thing. I'm honestly to the point where I want to stuff about 45 pounds in the passenger seat and just... So yeah, somebody buy this before I have to destroy it.